shoulder, pop, back, and 7, 8. In the lyric you hear dragging, yeah? So that's why you're dragging with this hand, yeah? We're going to go left, hold 2 and 3 and 4. You get the lyric will say come around, come around. So that's why I'm coming around. Or sometimes you hear the lyric say chasing around, chasing around. You must also walking around. The next keyword in the lyric says switch. What do you think I would do? Switch. Switch. No guessing? Okay. Spacing on to the 6 o'clock, but I'm going to do that right now. We're going to do some switch. Heel and heel and heel, clap, clap, and toe and toe and toe, clap, clap. Heel switch and toe switch, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, clap, clap, and 5 and 6 and 7, clap. You do it that way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel, clap, clap, and toe and toe and toe, clap, clap. Cross rock with the left foot. 1, recover 2. Left foot cross rock. We're going to take left foot side rock. 3, 4. We're going to take a back rock, but we're going to take a quarter turn. Quarter to the left. Recover. Next, she has 3 rocks. A cross rock, a side rock, and a back rock. Let's do that. Ready?